decided to go with it as I noticed that most of web development tutorials tend to show you how to achieve stuff ignoring the security side. This tutorial explains principles to be considered while developing web applications. This tutorial doesn't aim to teach you hacking. If you want to learn how to hack, there are tons of courses that you can find online. Some hacks have way more details and can be exploited further. We won't go in these details as long as the possible solutions to prevent these hacks are discussed. We want to keep stuff simple and clean. This course is here to help you secure your web application. As a result, some web technologies are mentioned without explanations, as it's not a tutorial to teach you these technologies. Used code will be available on this URL. We will be using PHP mostly to explain stuff. If you're not familiar with PHP at all, don't worry. Examples are existed in a simple and straight way, and commands are explained. It's enough for you to be a web developer, no matter what language you're using. The most important thing is that you have the web development logic in your mind. If you're using Windows, you can use WAMP server. If you are on Linux, you can use LAMP server. They are straight in the matter of installing. You don't need extra configurations. This server is consisted of Apache, MySQL, and PHPMyAdmin. The only problem that you can possibly meet is that the Apache port is already being used by another application, like Skype. You can close this application, change its port, or change the port used by Apache server. This course has the following sections. The first section talks about existing injections and the best practices to protect from them. The second one lists different attacks and possible ways to prevent them. The third section talks about best security practices in some popular web development technologies. The fourth one is dedicated for authorization process. In the last section, you'll meet some additional notes to have secure web applications.